Today we're fixing the cooling system on this Ford Mustang. This is a 2018 Ford Mustang with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost. A friend of mine just barely got off the freeway, belt started squealing on her, and she got an error message saying that she was low on coolant. She did the right thing and pulled over immediately. She called me up and asked me to come and take a look at it. As soon as our pressure tested the cooling system, I found our problem immediately. The water pump has locked up, or at least it started to, because right now it is really hard to turn. But because this friend of mine is a tattoo artist and we've done trade work in the past, I'm just going to take care of it for them. Let's go get some parts. $100 later, now we're good to go. Can you guys tell that I've been doing nothing but cooling systems recently? Would you look at that? We still have daylight to do this. Just going to take a dab of coolant, lube up the surface where it's going to slide in, and with my finger wet, lube up the surface of the gasket, and then nice. Perfect. And to make sure that she doesn't drive down the road and have it completely fail on her again, we're going to put some pressure to it, make sure that it holds at least 15 psi for maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes. There, we'll check in 10 minutes. And I can get the rest bolted up in the meantime. Sun's nearly gone, and we're holding steady at 15 psi. Good enough for me. Fluids are now topped off. Running pretty good. I tried to wash off the engine bay, but that didn't really work out the greatest. Temperature is holding steady, so I'm going to call that fixed.